Hello viewers, in the last video we have seen the performance test being conducted on the XCS BPF land scheduler and with the server scheduler profile and the dash p scheduler flag being enabled. Now we are going to change to a different scheduler. We are going with the XCS flash. So this is a different scheduler and we have to apply it to the system. So this scheduler is called Flash and the variant is XCS Flash, and there are no scheduler flags to be enabled or default scheduler flags which are enabled here. There is no scheduler flag, only this scheduler profile and the variant XCS Flash is there. Now you have to open your terminal and start the Geekbench test. I will just make a space for these two windows. Now we have to wait for the test to complete. You can see here we are just using the standard default Linux kernel, that is 6.15.2-2 CachyOS x86-64. So this is a 64-bit kernel which is stable kernel from the CachyOS repos, and we are using this for all our test on the different schedulers. So you will get an apple to apple comparison between the different schedulers and the same kernel and the same virtual machine. So the test is complete and we will check this course. Now I think there is some change in the test course. You can see here, you just observe the single core and multi-core test results score. You can see it has just increased a little bit in the multi-core, and here you can see the multi-core result has downgraded. Even yes, there is little increase in the single core, but multi-core scores have got down, and this is the result for this SCX flash scheduler, or we can call it flash scheduler. So that's it for today's video. We will meet in the next video with another scheduler. So see you then. Bye bye.